Hello everyone and welcome to the DP Labs channel. Today we have a short video about testing an artificial proprioception system for prosthetics. What does that mean? Since I currently have a bionic prosthesis, in order to know the position of its fingers, I have to look at it. As a result, I can't grab anything in the dark, and I always have to keep my eyes on the prosthesis. We decided to try creating feedback. Now we're going to run some tests. We've made a small board that connects two phone vibration motors, which will be placed on both sides of the hand. Then we'll set it up so that when the prosthesis is fully open, one motor will vibrate strongly. When it's in the middle, not fully open or closed, neither motor will vibrate, and when it's fully closed, the other motor will vibrate. And I think after some time, the brain will get used to it and it will work well. In addition to the vibration motors, we've also connected a small resistor, and we're going to try to do this using heat. Like either one heats up or the other. Now we're going to test this. So what do we have? We have this kind of board here. It's actually our KNX IP interface, but just so we wouldn't have to build something new for Tesla, we attached everything to it with a slightly different firmware. We have two of these small, compact little phone vibration motors right here in front of us, and we also have two of these tiny little resistors as well. Now, what we're going to do next is test it out to see how it works. All right, so Seryoga, could you please film this for us? I'm going to carefully stick it in here now. Stas, could you help me out with this, please? Let's make sure everything is set up properly before we proceed. Right here, okay, hold this one down. One is working. Later, this could be mounted directly into the receiver, but for now, it's just for testing. Okay, here, and let's put the second one right here. No, here, on this side. All right. Okay, Stars, let's connect it. Right here, yeah. Yes. Later on, all of this will eventually be connected directly to the prosthesis controller itself. For now, however, we have decided to do it this way just for testing purposes to make sure everything works as expected. So here's a simple little program we've got here. This is the type of hand position. We carefully move it in one direction. It definitely looks like we're gradually and steadily losing contact somewhere along the way. All right, now let's just go ahead and go the other way. Oh, Lord. There, I can feel the buzzing, 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 buzzing. You can really feel it quite well somewhere. Right now, there's a zone where I can't feel anything. Now, we'll go ahead and move the minimum over here so that at zero, I don't feel it at all. But now, as I continue, I start to feel it. And at the end, it buzzes really strongly. You can't really hear it, but you can feel it very clearly. That's how it works, in simple terms. Now let's try it with resistors. All right, Stars, let's reconnect everything. Hold on a second, I'll set it to the center. Go ahead. Strangely enough, everything works fine. There are even smaller vibration motors. All right, go ahead. Yes, it's actually powered by PWM technology, in fact. Okay, and the second one. All right, I really hope it honestly doesn't burn me. If anything happens, just give me a sign, okay? Let's see. Well, actually, let me think for a moment. That's definitely on my end, you know. Yeah. Well, to be completely honest, it kind of feels like it's gradually heating up. Or maybe not. It's honestly really hard to tell for sure at this point, at this particular moment in time. You can swap them if you want to, because it doesn't make any difference at all. Whether you switch their positions or leave them as they are, the result will be exactly the same. Somehow I don't really feel any heat, like at all. All right. Let me just touch them like this just for a little while, please. It's just that, do you feel anything?
No.
I don't really feel anything either. Well, now let us just take a moment and see what happens. No, you know, it's not heating up.
Not feeling anything.
If there's anything at all, it's very faint, barely noticeable, really. All right, gentlemen, just a second. So now we're testing it on stars like this. I don't feel anything this way. So we grabbed a thermal imager. Right now, both are basically at 0, just like that. No, one is heated up. Yes, you can see it. There, right now. So, gentlemen, what conclusions can we draw? The vibration motors work great, better than I expected. There are even smaller ones. We'll use them with resistors. It works poorly. If you raise the temperature, it actually burns. And there's inertia, too. It works as well, but not very well. So we'll stick with the vibration motors. They can be built right into the socket. I think it'll turn out nicely. I'll need to redo the controller for the prosthesis over the next couple of weeks, integrate all this, and walk around to train with it. Time will tell if it's possible to properly train the brain so that there's real feedback. I think it will work out. I'll learn how to do it. So stay tuned for more on this topic. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like. All the best.